Today is Easter Sunday, guys. So, the Fam Bam is going. Ready na yung sasakyan. So, yeah. Oh, this one yung blue goat, oh. Kay Blue ito, guys, na alaga. Kailangan ipasok, baka mawala. It's hot. You'll sit here.
No, Mishka, it's hot here.
Yes, that is nice. Okay, ready to go. Sulod na, Ber. Pasaka sa to. Go inside. Manong Blue, guys. Tignan nyo. Ang laki-laki na eh. Ready to go.
Nalak mo to?
Nilak ng balay.
Who's ready in the house?
No one. We're all going.
Baby Jasmine?
It's okay. She's at home.
She'll be alone. She'll cry.
Punta kami ng Mampukal. Try namin if may vacant pa doon. Muna tayo dito sa kuya ko, guys. Ito yung iba dito sa sakay. Punong-puno pa din ng mga manok dito, guys, sa bahay ng kuya ko. Ha? Dito na tayo. Titingnan natin if merong cottage pa na natira. Andito na kami ngayon sa Mambucal Resort. The problem is, dahil Easter Sunday ngayon, maraming tao. So, wala nang cottage na available. So, maghanap-hanap na lang kami kung saan kami pwedeng set up ng aming mga lamesa. May baon din kami, guys, kompleto. Kasi alam namin na ngayong mga araw na to, medyo crowded talaga. And late na din kami umalis ng bahay, mga 10. So, for sure talaga, wala nang available na mga cottage yung andito. Kahit na gano'ng kalaki yung Mambucal. Where are you?
In Philippines.
Mambucal, Philippines.
There's a swimming.
Dentaber?
There's a swimming.
Swimming pool. So, ito kami lahat, guys. Dito si Toto, oh. And then yung kuya ko. Diyan sila. So dito maghanap-hanap kami ng parking space and kung saan kami makatambay-tambay. So ayan, maghakot-hakot na ng mga gamit. Ari-ari ah. Ito yung space na nahanap namin, guys. Kasi wala nang space. Punuan lahat dyan ng mga cottage. Tapos dito din. Wala. Pero kompleto kami. Merong mga upuan, may mesa. Yan, kompleto tayo dyan. Si Abhi at saka yung isa niyang kaibigan nag-tour around. Bye-bye! Oh, come on, come on. We're going to swim. Katas.
Liga, ilis mo sila, make. Ang masunod lang sila.
Masunod na sila. Where is she? Mimi, Daddy Mok is calling you. Go. Wow. Dako pa? You try first. Excited man sa.
Pwede na niya.
Oo. Dako pa. Adjust lang. You like it?
Maybe
Next summer. Na kay. Ara.
Pwede.
What will you say, Daddy Mok?
Pasok-sok man lang sa buong
Ah,
Other one, we will replace.
favorite ya pa na bala to, Peppa Pig.
Tanaw sa daw gabi, Peppa Pig.
Oo.
Lovely baby.
Wow.
Okay.
Medyo malaki pa pero you wanna wear it? Okay.
Iba doon na sa
Oh.
balay.
Wow. Wow, so nice. You wanna keep this? Peppa Pig card?
Ay, basta dala na sa mo bag.
Thank you.
Check.
Check. Double check. Let's go. Coffee done? Let's go. Actually, dapat mag-kayaking kami. Kaya lang, pagpunta namin, 4:22 na. 4:30 pala magko-close. So, late na kami. Pa-close na sila. So, hindi kami natuloy. So, nag-photoshoot na lang kami para may remembrance. How's your first Easter Sunday in the Philippines?
That's fun.
Fun.
So
Ay.
much fun.
Yeah.
So many things. And first time in my life, I'm saying that I have parties so many times. We have done outing also. But this kind like
Family bonding.
family going with food and a mountain, this kind of place.
Yeah.
The swimming pool is there. Kayaking is there.
It's like family time.
And the place is also beautiful. It's
Yeah,
not like that
nature.
you're sitting with family in some random place.
Yeah.
The place is also big.
You're with nature, with family.
Even though so many people are there, but it's not so cluttered. Like everyone have their space.
Yeah. Mishka here.
Complete.
1, 2, 3. Sapa? 1, 2, 3.
Mga po naman, mga po.
One, two, three. Isa pa? 1, 2, 3.
Mga po. Susunod ang mga bata. Susunod ko lang. Hindi ako dala.
One, two, three. I don't like that. Backside.
Backside. Gusto niyang sumakay sa likod. Hey, go kami de. Gusto niya sa likod. But this is full.
Hindi. Sa'yo naman ito.
If she wants to sit backside, let her enjoy sa likod. Dito ako sa likod para samahan si Abhay kasi yung kanyang friend umuwi na. Hinatid namin yung kaibigan ni Mr. And this is the best time na umupo dito sa likuran because hindi na mainit. And
Huh?
it's not hot here anymore.
Yeah, and it is fun.
Yeah,
You can
it's
stretch
fun.
your legs.
Yes. Stopover. Meron dito ngayong mga food stalls, street food. So mag-ano tayo? Bakal. Bili tayo ng fishball. You wanna try fishball? Where's my slipper? Let's put the bag inside. Where's my slipper?
You came with slippers? I don't think.
Yeah, I have. Let's go.
What is that?
Fishball. I want to have fishball. You check what do you want? Takoyaki. They have coffee here. Fishball. Let's buy fishball. I'm buying this one. What else do you want? Which one?
Everything is fried only.
Yeah, fried.
Fishball.
Daiki mo ni fishball daiki. Gulaman. May siomai. What do you want? Burger. May chicken po, chicken burger. No, they don't have. They have onion rings.
Lumpia is what?
Nachos. Barkada meal. Papa is having buko shake. You want buko shake? I think you will like buko shake. Ano yung moya pang? Guyabano? Buko shake. And then there is dragon fruit melon. Avocado.
Small bag.
Ano yung order pang?
Duwa ka buko.
Okay, ito na. Okay.
Thank you.
Wow. Show here, Anna. Han? Papa is waiting for his buko shake. And Papa knows his favorite because he came here only to get a buko shake.
Is it?
Yeah, they're coming here all the time. Good? Oh. One for one. Diri lang ko pa. May ara ko to ano. May fishbowl kami din daycare. Daycare.
Hindi kami kapit, pero may kumagana ano.
They are coming here all the time.
Kahit minggo, one buko.
So,
Good.
which one is good? This one or that one? Here. Try fishbowl. Fishbowl in the Philippines for the first time. So, yan, ito amin guys. Oh, fishbowl. Good? Outside is the bowl. There's also ano po? Spicy nga sauce like eh. Ay, ito. Ito kaya. Pang namin ila fishbowl oh. You go get steak. Without sauce naman siya.
Good.
Ay.
I like it.
Dami, di kayo tambayan, ha? Look at the sunset color. Can you see that? So pretty.
Sauce is same.
Sauce is same. There is spicy and there is sweet. The red one is spicy. You wanna try with spicy?
Ay,
You
the
ask
red
him
one
which
nice.
is spicy. You ask him.
Good.
What do you want? Tell me. What do you want to eat? Egg. That is egg. Are you sure? You want? Nang tagpila ang ano na nang kwek-kwek. Ah, isa. Isa. So, yung kay Mishka, gusto niya kwek-kwek. Mimi is eating kwek-kwek. First time. Now you like it? Kanina ayaw niya. Pero hindi lang i-mix dapat yung sauce at saka yung kwek-kwek. Dapat magkaiba. Wow, so big.
Too much tummy, oh.